Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Point. In today's video we are going to solve the assignment number 2 for the subject Islamic modes of financing, which has subject code FIN624. Its last date for submission is 29 August 2022 and its total marks are 10 but split into two tasks as clear from the marks division 5 plus 5. So let's start assignment. Mr. A and Mr. B are renowned businessmen in Pakistan. There are two businessmen A and B which are very famous in Pakistan. They have more than 20 years of business experience. They want to establish a new venture for cement sector on Musharakah basis. Both have experience of more than 20 years in the businesses and now they are planning to make a venture in for cement sector not on commercial generally principles but on Islamic modes of businesses which is Musharakah. In Musharakah contract, both parties agreed on the following conditions. As per Musharakah contract, both A and B are agreed on the following conditions. Business will be on the basis of Musharakah. It means the business that they are going to plan for cement sector in the shape of venture is totally based on the principles and rules of Musharakah. Partner A will invest rupees 1 million or 10 100,000 and partner B will invest rupees 500,000 above 1,000 and 500,000 1 million and half million 0.5 million. Partner A will be a working partner and will get 70% profit. Partner B will be a silent partner and will get 30% profit. Whichever is the amount of the profit, how much in the form of percentage, partner A will get 70% while partner B will get 30%. Now profit earned on first transaction is rupees 50,000. Now they are giving us information that they have earned as a result of first transaction is rupees 50,000. Keeping in view the above scenario and being a student of consumer banking, you are required to answer the following questions. Calculate the profit of partner A and B. You are required to write 5 rights of partner in Musharakah. So let's go to the solution that I have done on MS Word file. So task 1 is to find out the portion or profit A and profit for partner A and B. So profit amount is rupees 50,000 which they earn as a result of first transaction. Portion of partner A in profit is 70% and portion of partner B in profit is equal to 30%. Thus, amount of profit A received is equal to rupees 50,000 into 0.70 which is 70% is equal to rupees 35,000 and amount of profit B receives is rupees 50,000 into 0.3 30% of B is equal to rupees 15,000. So now we are going to task 2 which demands to write down 5 rights of the in Musharakah. So I am going to give you an idea. If you want to write more about it, so you can do it. A right to sell mutually owned property if related to the business, not personal property, means both they both both that they have invested in the cement sector businesses. So all the equipment or other property that are related to the businesses have a right to sell. Right to sell or buy raw materials stocks on cash or credit basis. The raw material or stock that is required in the production of cement, they have a right to sell or buy. Hiring workforce for the business, not for their personal affairs. Deposit goods and monies of the business shirka. They have a right to deposit goods and money in bank of the business. In bank are some other investment opportunities. Shirka means business. Use goods and funds in mudarabah. Another type of business are modes as defined by the Islamic modes of financing. Giving shirka funds or goods as hiba or karze asna. So I request you if you want to write more about these 5 and 6 rights, but as per condition they are asking for 5, so you can make it more explanatory by writing down more details about it. So I hope you will like this answer. If you found this answer useful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.